tracky acting up. Baby tracky acting up. Gotta bring it to bro. Ace fixed it, you know what I'm saying? Ace outside. Let's see. Give me rain. Check engine done popped on me last night. Cold reading this. You know what I mean? Got people telling me it could be the coil pack or the spark plug. So niggas about to go see about that right now. Keon fuck up the engine and see it does. A real vivid truck. You know what I mean? Damn near 54,000 miles. Should get the pat on some idle shit though, like when I was posted up, like behind the whip, should get the the fuck? Check engine light, get the blinking and shit. Had me shook. Nah, about to go AutoZone, get these spark plugs. I might even just buy a coil pack too. You know what I'm saying? Instead of going to see about a used one or some shit, just go get a brand new, fuck it. Brand new coil pack, 2 spark plugs for Slender 6. And we should be in the game, back like we never left. Now we get AutoZone right now. Shit, hopefully this shit ain't whack shit. Get the vaccine. Got to get baby tracky right, man. We got the parts. We got the parts. We got the parts. Baby tracky in the fucking cut. No! Why? Why? So I'm putting the SRT. Yeah, I'm saying y'all tap in, bro. Gonna get you right. Like it's a lag type shit.
Yeah, it just you gotta hear it. Like I can hear it.
Yeah.
It sound real like you gargling like mouthwash for real.
Nigga said a fake burble.
Yeah. These folks hit me over here.
No, he be coming to this motherfucker tearing shit up.
Police be sitting over here, little they know I be ducked off over there.
Shit.
Pack spark plugs in, you shit be good.
Cool shit, you know what I'm saying?
You had the coil pack up there?
Yeah. I might as well just get a new one.
I want you on my dog to race. That other one.
Huh?
That other black Jeep I had did like a week or 2 ago.
Yeah.
So that nigga always trying to race and shit.
Oh yeah, for sure. We could line it up. I'm down there. I'm fucking with the paddle. I'm really fucking with this. This shit more like on time than the paddles type shit.
Yeah, the paddles always got a little lag to it. This shit got a little purple tune on it. It got none though.
I need that. What I want. Yes, sir. Sound crazy. That bitch get the sound of 300 swap. That boy static. This motherfucker pressure, boy. This motherfucker pressure, boy. You know what I'm saying? You know it coming when you see the boat, Shabby. Chrysler swap getting down right. Nah. Y'all let me know if y'all want to see more footage of this shit. I'll pull up on bro while he working and shit. Get right. Look at Pa like, ooh, that's nice. You know what I'm saying? 2021. Cheat, motherfucker. My dog. Let's see what's going on right now.
Cylinder 6 Misfire. We gonna delete this shit. Erased it.
Niggas said, no check engine. You should be know.
Let's see how long this stay off.
Nah, for sure. I already know. Nah, you fool, nigga, though. You delete that code, nigga, think this shit fixed. Nigga say, yeah, come on with that money, y'all family. It's sad. My boy really having any tool to work on anything. That's a fact. My shit, my bay dirty as shit. Damn, I need to clean this bitch out.
Again, I bet the engine light came on. I can hear it.
Let me see. Nah, that bitch ain't on.
It ain't on?
Nah. Turn it off?
Yeah. That the injector fire. It sounds like a coil pack fire too.
So what that mean?
I'm about to pull the spark plug out right quick. Look at him.
So basically the coil pack valid.
Yeah, but it could have weak spark.
Yeah.
They could be sparking, but it could put out like a weak ass spark. I done seen that happen before on my own shit. Shit, it'll take no time to snatch this out.
Damn, I'll just come in this bitch with a wet rag and wipe this bitch down, damp rag or something.
What I normally do while it's running, like I use that purple bottle right there.
Let me see what that is. Super clean, dissolve grease, super fast, easy.
It's just engine to spray that on there with the engine first, spray that all over it, let it soak for like 5 minutes, and then pressure wash it off. Then once you pressure wash it off, get some tire shine, and then spray it on the rag and just.
I about to say pressure wash. I'm gonna have to go to somebody. Nigga said that.
Pressure wash it here though.
Okay, for sure. For sure, I'ma have to come clean this bitch out. Damn, I let this bitch get dirty like this. Intake got leaves and some more shit in this motherfucker. Shit wicked.
Man, the song you posted on your damn story though, that shit had when you come back out.
Get into it, bro.
I'll see you when you come back out.
The cylinder 6 Misfire. Nigga deleted the code. Engine light ain't pop back on. Shit doing something though. Engine light ain't pop on for nothing. Damn. That mean it's bad? That motherfucker.
Yeah, that could be changed. Where the new two at?
In the passenger. Where that other joint at? Oh, right here. Let me see.
Both of them two right there just came out. They hot as hell though. That's why I found that napkin.
Yeah.
That's what the new shit look like.
So how you know these burnt out or you wouldn't just know?
I mean, you look at the gap.
Oh, see these NGK though. What the? That's it don't matter though.
Nah, Denzo's still good.
For sure.
Thin ass.
Okay, that bitch like it's down there melted or something.
That shit just got a smaller gap right there. If the gap
MGK
get too
shit?
small or if it get too big, that's how you know it ain't really putting out the spark it's supposed to. Because if it's too small, it ain't sparking. If it's too big, it's sparking too. It's just sparking crazy.
Yeah.
Drop them in like that. It's crazy how much space I'm gonna put in these bitches. I can't do this in no charger, no challenger.
It's a big body right here. This shit supposed to be in this motherfucker.
You get that new coil pack. Slap it in.
So that Thorough so these NGK. Damn, I was gonna get the NGK shirts too though.
Yeah, you could have got them, but I don't know if I don't want to sell them bitches or not.
They had them. They was like $21.
A piece?
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, Denzel pretty good too, though. I ain't gonna lie. That's what this is. As long as it got that iridium platinum on there, you straight. Anything that's fat, you don't want no fat ass plug. That shit ain't giving you no spark.
And it's supposed to.
Yeah, if the I have to get one of the spark plugs I'm talking about and show you that bitch. Compare them to the old one that came out.
Yeah.
Let's see exactly what I'm talking about.
So I ain't got one of these.
Catch came off of.
Telling you.
Keep that old oil air out your engine, out your intake.
Keep that motherfucker right. Damn, I really need to wipe this bitch down. This shit look crazy. The fuck?
Like dusty as hell.
Fuck it. Detail for Baby Tracky coming soon, man. Y'all stay tuned. Rapping all coming soon, man. Bigger and better 2025, man. So what you said, the one that you just put in ain't giving no spark?
No, I'm talking about like if you was to have like one of them fat ass spark plugs.
Oh, okay.
Let me see if I can find you one, cause let me show you on this one. You see how this shit right here, how that piece like real thin right there in the middle?
Right.
My fingernail at?
Yeah.
Normally they'll be fat like how this bottom piece is, like the round part. As long as they thin like that, then
It's valid.
yeah,
Okay. Cool. Nah, look at the babe, bro. Look at this, the new piece, and look at this. This shit dirt. So all this shit could get wet?
Yeah, as long as the car running. I can't find one because I don't really use bullshit plugs.
Yeah.
But you see how that one, let me show you. You see how the tip right there is thinner on the white part? See how it's thinner right there than it is right there?
Mm-hmm.
The thinner it is, the better. See how that one's thicker than this one?
Okay.
So this is NGK Ruthium. And this is just a regular NGK. NGK is good, but you gotta know which one to get.
As in Ruthium, whatever the other shit is.
Yeah, it's a double. This a double platinum. Ruthenium. I don't even know what this for.
And these ones is these ones is what I don't know what the fuck that word say. Iridium.
Yeah, iridium. Long as it's iridium double platinum, straight.
Nah, we listening. So we listen and we don't judge. No. Wow, what's up? What's up?
16 park plug too, right?
Yeah. Two in each cooler. Should be in the game. You still could clean this out for me? For sure. So we go. No check right now. I pray it's okay. No, you feel me? Boom. So if you didn't clear the code, would the light still be there right now?
Yeah.
Until what? Like you drive it and it's telling like it's fixed or something?
Yep, exactly.
Okay.
Once it fixes itself, it should turn itself off.
So that motherfucker was easy to come off. It don't want to go back on now. What the fuck?
Can it turn it off for me right quick?
Motherfucker get the farting.
There you go. Alright, look this up.
So, in the fucking game. Let's see. Go for a ride. See what this bitch talking about.
Pull this up. Nah, that case going good, so I ain't tripping. I know I'm gonna get it back. It's just
Time, yeah.
this shit really better as hell.
Now I'm saying that dinner probably could have caused some.
Yeah. This shit dirty as fuck.
The only way you would really know is if you left the engine light on, right? And you put the spark plug in, took it for a ride.
And we're still doing the same shit.
Yeah. So that more time sufficient if you do it.
This will throw an engine code over time.
Yeah.
Like
My boy got that motherfucker that was in school. They don't put it on your skin. It will kill you.
See all that shit coming off?
Yeah.
Hold on. This shit ain't up.
Motherfucker got shit literally in between this motherfucker. Telling you, what you say, my boy?
Yeah, you got the real fuel, O2.
Yeah, I'm saying, my boy, so I got the...
It ain't no codes on there, no powertrain, DTCs.
What that mean?
It mean like it ain't no engine codes. But you see them things that's red, that's blinking?
Yeah.
Those gotta turn green. Like say if you was to pass emissions or some shit, you can't pass them with them blinking. But you'll just have to drive it. They only on because you had a misfire. So now they're just saying it ain't no more codes. You gotta drive it for readiness, and then them shit
like
stop.
50 miles type shit.
Type shit. Then that shit all be green like the other one. But you see the one that say misfire right there, MIS, the first one?
It's
green. It's green, so you know you ain't got no misfire.
Okay, what the other one say? Fuel, cat, evac.
O2 sensors, EGR.
For sure.
But all that shit.
Valid, yeah.
You good.
Boy, got me in the game. We changed the coil and the spark plug. You know what I'm saying?
Did a little cleaning of the air filter.
That's a fact. I appreciate that. You know what I'm saying? You know I'm finna get my buddy right. Y'all boy tapping Ace Southside. Ace fixed it. You know what I'm saying? Gonna get you right.
Southside with it.
On the south side. You think it's bullshit. He fixing everything you see right here. You know what I'm saying? That's a fact.
Good.
Tune coming soon. You know what I'm saying? Gonna be with my bro doing this shit. We really gonna turn Baby Tracky up. All the bros with, we bringing them to bro. Watch this. You know what I'm saying?
I got you.
We gonna be lit for sure.
Had this bitch moving.
Telling you. Finna hear what your shit talking about, static.
That 300.
I looked at the back, my boy got the bolt on the back. I'm like, oh yeah, you know that, bro. Oh my. Oh yeah, you got one, my boy. You got one. God. Why the hell his shit's red? He got some geek shit. You look burned. Look at his shit and look at my shit. Oh my god. Damn, I need to tighten up. Y'all gonna be seeing everybody in my fucking videos. Watch this. I'm linking with everybody. Everybody going up. We fucking lit and outside, man. Fast shit. Young niggas too, man. The youngest doing it. Brown guts. Boy, what the fuck? That shit geek. That shit geek. Oh yeah, you gotta tap in. Well, he got a tune or something on here, or it just
got the tune and everything on it.
Ooh.
Too much, 'cause he finna be racing this bitch. So.
Yeah, for sure. One more, we gonna tap in with Stat. You know what I'm saying? Boy, this the mechanic though. He really, boy.
For real
That motherfucker just did something.
That's a 6.0, that's a LS2.
Fully
built. I built that bitch.
Hey, this bitch clean.
Fully built. 6-speed, 200 on the dash.
That's it. Oh yeah, that shit. That's gonna dog some shit. Oh yeah, niggas is not playing fair. We gotta come through with the tunes and some more shit. Niggas is not playing fair. And niggas got cars. Niggas gonna be leaving me. No. Motherfucking geek. Going sideways. Nah, this bitch geek. This motherfucking geek up. This bitch geek. Shai said light. This motherfucker gonna do a nigga dirty. Ooh, this bitch him. That boy really put work in.
Built that shit myself too.
I watched him. I could vouch for that. Seen that shit on the gram. My boy go crazy. All this bitch needs is a paint job, and the bitch don't even need that. The bitch running. I promise you.
Bitch had that candy on the neck though.
I'm already knowing. Boy, cleared the light. Put the new joint in. You know what I'm saying? To be valid like salad. Valid like salad, you know what I'm saying? We down there gonna start, you know what I'm saying, tuning in with bro. Y'all gonna see niggas working on their own whips, helping, you know what I'm saying? Upgrading the life tools. Stay tuned, Life of Type B, man. Shit look like the boys right here, but we don't